Michael Palermo from Microsoft. Let's give it up.
Thank you. Starting to wondering where the love was. Okay, so it's great to be here. Great to be invited up before the Travel Channel. I don't have anything I'm going to show on the screen, but you might want to get a pen out because we're going to do a little math here in a second. Going to give someone a prize immediately for this. But why develop for Windows 8? First answer is if you're already a Microsoft developer, if you're doing .NET stuff, it's easy to take your skill set, move it right into the new platform. And that's true for Windows 8 or for Windows Phone. What if you're not a traditional .NET developer? We are embracing HTML5. I love HTML5. I was a C# developer for years. I guess I still am, but all I've been doing now is HTML5. It's been fantastic. Using that to develop apps for the store. Any HTML5 folks here? Anyone who does HTML5, just in general? Yeah, so opportunity, right? You already know how to do that stuff. What about creating cross-platform? There's so many application suites or gaming engine suites that allow you to now target Windows 8, Windows Phone, and other platforms. Game suites such as Game Salad or Game Maker or Construct, all of these allow you to also target, so very easy to get involved. Plus your HTML5 suites out there. I think another reason that it's very cool is that there's a compelling design now. You've probably seen the tiles and the charms bar and the application bar and making the application the primary focus. That's very exciting. But let's now talk about the financial rewards, the opportunity statement. So as you may have heard, it's been released that already Windows 8, 60 million licenses. 60 million. Now consider this. There's a 600 million base of Windows 7 upgrade opportunity. Yeah, that's a nice share in the market. Well, here's where your math can come into play. Let's just say at 60 million, 0.1%, I didn't say 1%, 0.1% is interested in your app, and at that, you earn only 10 cents a month in advertising. Anybody know what that would be per month? Yes. Excellent. Woo. You win a prize. I'll bring it over in just a second. So yes, I actually did a little math for you as well. So after Microsoft takes their cut, you'd actually get $4,200 a month, but after 5 months that would increase to $4,800. Annually that would mean around $55,000 a year, and that's just if you do one app with that criteria. Huge opportunity. But what about your opportunity here? So I'm going to restate some things and add some that you didn't see on a slide previously. So yes, top 3 phone teams, Lumia 920. Now what that means is up to 3 members on the team will get Lumia 920, this device right here. In addition to that, top Windows 8 teams are all going to receive a Surface. Again, 3 members of that team, the top 3 teams, those 3 members on those 3 teams will get a Surface. But wait, there's more. We're going to do a first place $500 cash reward, second place $200, and third place $100 for the Windows 8. In addition to that, if you release to the store, you're eligible for a $10,000 grand prize. You want more information? My cohort in crime, Daniel Egan, is going to be tweeting to the hashtag for more details. We're sitting in the back there. And as was quoted from the Hunger Games, for today, may the odds be ever in your favor.